Left side keep heading everyone. Square. Left side keep heading. Square. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram with all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree. A square is a parallelogram with all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree. Square is a parallelogram with all sides are equal and each and every angle is 90-degree angle. In previous classes, we have learned about properties of parallelogram. Next, properties of rectangle. Now, today we are going to learn properties of square. Write down properties. Properties draw figure right side. ABCD. There are two diagonals. First diagonal is AC and second diagonal is BD. What is diagonal? Where we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. All sides are equal, one cross line. Each and every angle is 90-degree angle. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. On the bracket, note down. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Second property, each angle is right angle. Each angle is right angle. Note down. Each angle is right angle. Third property, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. diagonals are equal. And fourth property, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Diagonal bisects each other at 90 degree. You are observing, student, difference between rectangle and square. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but in square, all sides are equal. Second difference between rectangle and square, in rectangle, diagonals are equal and diagonal bisect each other, but in square, diagonals are equal, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Draw this figure very clearly. Square is a parallelogram with all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree. First property, all sides are equal. Second property, each angle is right angle, means 90 degree. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Write down clearly. Next key heading, last quadrilateral family. Who is that? Rhombus. Now grandfather completed, father also completed. Now child duty is going on. Now rectangle, square completed. Now last child is what? Who is that? Rhombus. Keep heading, rhombus. Keep heading, rhombus. Keep heading, rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is the child of parallelogram, not child of quadrilateral. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is the parallelogram with all sides equal and parallel. With all sides, with all sides equal and parallel. Properties. Properties. A, B, C, D. All sides are equal. Draw this figure clearly. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle means angle A is opposite to which angle? Angle C. Angle B is opposite to which angle? Angle D. Angle A is equal to angle C, comma, angle B is equal to angle D. What fellow is that? Explain about properties of rhombus. What is first property? All sides are equal. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Third property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Note down. Third property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. We can take any two adjacent angle, angle A plus angle B, or angle B plus angle C, or angle C plus angle D, or angle D plus angle A. The sum of two adjacent angle will be 180 degree. Fourth and last property, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonal bisects each other at 90 degree. You are observing, students, all property. What is the main difference between rhombus and square? In square, each and every angle is 90 degree, but in rhombus, opposite angles are equal. This is the difference between rhombus and square. In rhombus, the opposite angles are equal, but in square, each and every angle is 90 degree angle. Now we have completed successfully quadrilateral family. Properties of rhombus: all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles supplementary, adjacent angles are supplementary, adjacent angles are supplementary, diagonal bisects each other at 90 degree. Yes. Now today I am going to explain very interesting concept, polygon, regular polygon, irregular polygon, and how to calculate interior angle of regular polygon. Listen carefully, everyone. How to calculate interior angle of polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of three or more line segments. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of three or more line segments. When we are joining three or more than three line segment, that is called polygon. What was the first polygon? Triangle was the polygon. Next, quadrilateral. Just now we have completed all quadrilateral family. Who is the grandfather? Quadrilateral is the grandfather. How many sons are there? There are three sons. Who is that? Parallelogram, trapezium, kite. Again, parallelogram, how many sons are there? There are three sons. Rectangle, square, and rhombus. This is the complete family of quadrilateral. Complete quadrilateral family. In quadrilateral family, total how many members are there? 7. Right? Quadrilateral is grandfather, 3 is child, and 3 is more child. 3 plus 3 is 6, and quadrilateral is 7. Are you getting my point, student? Yes, and 7 is the very fancy number. Right. Yes. Now I am going to explain about regular polygon and irregular polygon. Concentrate, everyone. What is regular polygon? What is irregular polygon? Already polygon concept we have learned in the previous chapter, and just now I have recapped to you what is the meaning of polygon. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of three or more line segment. Now there are two types of polygon is there. First is regular polygon and irregular polygon. Now what is the difference between regular and irregular? Regular polygon means whatever polygon they have given, if all sides and angles are equal, that is called regular polygon. In a given geometrical figure, if all the sides and angles are equal, that is called regular polygon. All sides and angles are equal in regular polygon. If I'm talking about irregular, his name is irregular, means not one day and after second day not attending classes, like you are attending classes one day and second day not attending. Irregular. Regular means a regular polygon does not have all sides and all angles equal. Now keep adding regular polygon. Regular polygon. All sides and angles are equal. Now down. All angles and all angles and sides are equal. All angles and sides are equal in a regular polygon. In regular polygon. Next, irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. An irregular polygon an irregular polygon an irregular polygon does not have does not have does not have all sides all sides and all angles all sides and all angles as equal. Does not have all sides and all angles as equal. Yes. Now some figure I am writing, students. Write down that name. First star point. First star point. You know, students, there are three sides means triangle. Four side means quadrilateral. What is five sides? Five side means pentagon. Pentagon. Six sides means hexagon. Hexagon. Seven side means heptagon. Heptagon. Next, eight side means octagon. Eight side means octagon. Nine side means nonagon. Nine sides means nonagons. And 10 side is decagon. No syllabus up to 10 is there. 10 sides means decagon. Three side means triangles. Four side means quadrilateral. Five side means pentagon. Six means hexagon. Seven means heptagon. Eight means octagon. Nine means nonagon. And 10 sides means decagon. Five sides pentagon. Six side hexagon. Seven sides heptagon. Eight side octagon. Nine sides nonagon. And 10 sides is decagon. Now I am going to explain any figure they have given, how to calculate interior angle of polygon. One formula is there. Note down. Interior angle of polygon is equal to interior angle of polygon is equal to interior angle of polygon. Interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula how to calculate interior angle of polygon. N minus 2 into 180 degree. What is n here? Where n is equal to side of a polygon. Side of polygon. This is very famous formula. Interior angle of polygon. n minus 2 into 180 degree. Interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Example 1. First example. Note down everyone. Example 1. Find the sum of find the sum of find the sum of measures find the sum of measures of interior angles in the following figures. In the following figures. In the following figures. Don't do anything. Stop writing, concentrate here. I request all students stop writing, concentrate here. I want to find out sum of measure of interior angle of triangle. Already we know angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to how many angle? 180 degree. Our answer is right or wrong, I want to find out. Firstly, in a given figure, I want to count how many sides are there. Concentrate here. How many sides are there? There are three sides. It means the value of n is equal to 3. Number of side n is equal to n is equal to 3. Now I want to find out interior angle of this figure. Don't write, listen carefully. Interior angle of the triangle. This is triangle figure. Yeah, formula directly right. The interior angle of polygon. What is formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. In the place of n, I want to substitute what? 3. 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. What is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 into 180 means answer is 180 degree. Already we know angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Whatever we learn that property, with the help of this formula, our property is right. Note down everyone. If I want to find out interior angle of given polygon, firstly we need to count how many sides are there. In this given figure, there are three sides. In the place of n, I have substituted 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into 180, 180 degree. The value of n is 3. 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 into 180 degree means 180 degree. B figure. In this given figure, how many sides are there? How many sides are there? In this given figure, how many sides are there? One side, two side, three side, four side, five side. Means side is equal to n is equal to 5. Side is equal to n is equal to 5. Now I want to find out interior angle of this given polygon. What is this figure name? Pentagon. Five sides means pentagon. Now I want to find out interior angle of given polynomial. Sorry, interior angle of polygon. Interior angles of polygon. What is formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. What is the value of n here? The value of n is 5. In the place of n, I want to substitute 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 180 degree. 18 3 is 54, 540 degree. Interior angle of polygon 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 degree is equal to 540 degree. First note down clearly. Note down clearly first.